flood warning for the Cuyahoga River and Independence from this afternoon until Sunday morning at 11:30 a.m. Saturday. The stage was 15.5 feet minor flooding. His forecast flood stage is 16.0 feet forecast to rise above flood stage by this afternoon and rise to near 16.7 feet by this evening. The river will fall below flood stage by early Sunday morning at 17.0 feet. Water reaches Maria's Costa Coast and Valley View, portions of Exchange Road, Wall Street, and Cloverleaf